Hello everyone, it's me asmarif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial in Illustrator, and today I'll show you this type of logo which is creative and simple to make, and this one is minimalist. And if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And then let's start the tutorial. Here is the file and new options, taking artboard which is 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel and giving the name G logo and hit the create button. After that you're getting this type of artboard, and one thing is that make sure the station or workplace is like painting and it's similar with me, and go to the view and turn off the snap to pixel and make sure that smart guide and snap to point is on in your Illustrator. And after that here the line segment tool, and if you long press over here you will get the rectangular grid tool and select once over here, select once in your artboard, and I'll give the value or number of column horizontally that is 4 and the vertically divider that is 4, and hit the OK button, and then make it in a middle, and then just you can make it smaller, so I'm making it a little bit smaller. Okay, fine. And make sure that align to artboard is on and then it's middle. Okay, fine. And now I'll work over here. So how to do that? Here go to the ellipse tool and find out the center of the artboard and draw circle like this. Okay, fine. Now just make sure that this one is centered and press Ctrl or Command Y. Make sure that the circle is properly aligned or joined with the line of the border or guideline, whatever it is. So otherwise it won't work properly when I'll use the shape builders tool. Okay, that's good. And then press Ctrl C and Ctrl F, press the shift and option button and hold it and just make it bigger. It will be symmetrically bigger than this one. Okay, then again press Ctrl C and Ctrl F, make it more bigger and just join with the outline of the guide. That's fine. And now make sure that the same thing, the circle is properly joined with the lines, otherwise you can cut out this one. Okay, now I'm selecting this one and making another copy of this and just making another copy which is pasted in this box. Okay, fine. Now selecting all the things and shift M for the shape builders tool and make sure that all the line is joined with that, and go to the normal mode. After that just making it turn off the stroke and giving the color like orange or other colors. So I'm selecting this portion and this portion join with each other, and when you are making it join, be careful, otherwise it could be like other lines, or it could join the unnecessary lines which is not needed to your logo design in these cases. Okay, fine. Making it like this, and be careful here, and this portion and this portion, not this portion. Don't join this portion. Sometimes you can join this portion but not join this portion. Okay, fine. And this portion as well. Okay, fine. We're getting our logo like this. Nice. And we got the fill colors and we got the other stuffs. So right press and ungroup this one, select this orange and this orange and turn off the stroke. And if you want to delete the lines, press Y from the keyboard, magic wand tool, select once and delete, all the line will gone. Now we'll work with that. Press A from the keyboard, you will get the round corner options in a Creative Cloud version, so make it round like that. Now time to give the gradient over here. So in this portion I use the gradient, and I'll provide you that gradient download link in my video description, so check it out. And I'm just taking this one, I from the keyboard, and make this one, and this one I from the keyboard and select this one. But in this circle I want to make it proper ball type effects. How to do that? Go to the gradient portion, make it like radial like this, and make it reverse, G from the keyboard, and make it light from here. So if you give the light from here, in a like inner sense, it could be like ball properly rounded. Okay, fine. 3D effects actually, and making it like this, V from the keyboard. And now I'll cut over here. How to cut? Press P from the keyboard, that means the pen tool, and just draw like that. Okay, now return this one and make it like stroke. Select two things and press Shift M for the shape builders tool and select once over here. It will be divide to other, and again I from the keyboard and give the another color like this, and you'll get this one. Now time to adjust the gradient for the shadow portion and the highlight portion, and it will be like this. And now selecting these two things, making it group, making it a little bit smaller, and you can give any kind of name over here, or you can give the background or other stuffs. It is like creative logo. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And don't forget to check out my video detail for the gradient, color and other stuffs. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So until the next video, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.